So in today's video, I want to quickly show you guys how I make the best okro and ogbono soup, the most slimy okra soup you will find on the internet. Just because this video was requested, I decided to make it as detailed as ever. If this is your first time, welcome to Ujulin Space. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please do not make it your last. Subscribe. So because this video is detailed enough, I'm not going to be voicing over it. I'll just use music while we enjoy everything together. Watch this video to the end and I promise you will definitely love the outcome of this soup. Thank you. this point, our soup is ready. The reason why I kept stirring it is because it's very thick and I want everything to like mix up properly. Let me know what you think about this video. Will you be trying out the recipe? If you watch closely, we notice that the okra wasn't overcooked, the ugu wasn't overcooked at all. I just stirred properly and then turned off my cooker, then shared them and I portioned them in small quantities to freeze them for future use. Let me know what you think about this video and subscribe for more. Bye.